Hello, welcome. This is your second video on how to retake a quick quiz, and Mrs. Moen and myself have decided to make a slight change in the retake process just to help you better be successful for any of your retakes that you need to do. Okay. One thing that I wanted to point out, Mrs. Moen pointed this out to me right here on the homepage is this to-do list, and this will tell you what to go to, so you can literally click on those and it will take you right to there, so you can see how my mouse is changing and it'll go right there. So what I'm going to look at is target number 1, and we're going to look at our retake there. So now you will notice that things have changed on here where it says complete all items. Okay. And so the things that we need to complete. So the quick quiz, I need to submit the quick quiz. Once I have submitted the quick quiz, this gray area here will turn into black, and that's going to be your proof of practice. So let me submit my quick quiz and we will get that back to a normal color. All right, so now you see that I have submitted my quick quiz, and now that I submitted it, I can now click on the proof of practice as that's turned into the black font. And I need to get 8 correct on this in order for the quick quiz retake to show up. Okay, so once I have 100% on this, the retake will show up and then I can retake it. Same process. If I don't get 100% on that quick quiz, then here's my proof of practice, and I have one more opportunity to retake it. Okay, it is the same for every single target. So if I go to my target number 2, same thing here. You'll notice that the quick quiz needs to be submitted. And then if I go down here to the proof of practice, I can't do that until the quick quiz has been submitted. Okay. And I have to get 100% on that in order to retake. Okay, please feel free to reach out to your teachers if you have any questions on how to retake your quick quizzes.